Who is required to have an emergency locator transmitter, or ELT? We get a lot of questions from aircraft owners regarding who is required to have an emergency locator transmitter, or ELT. So let's jump into that question. All GA and experimental aircraft flights within the US are required to have an ELT, with some very limited exceptions. The exceptions include single-seater aircraft and crop dusters. Although Artex would still highly recommend ELTs for both of these aircraft. However, any single-seater that is going to cross borders would now have to comply with the ICAO Regulations requiring a 406 MHz ELT. For a full list of exceptions, you can check out the Federal Aviation Regulations 91.207. Now, there are obviously some other short-term exceptions which will allow you to fly as long as you are having the ELT installed. So again, it can be a complicated question to answer, but if you have more than one seat in your aircraft, you are required to need an ELT in your plane. I hope this shed a little bit of light into the question today, and again, if you have specific questions about your own requirements for your aircraft, we encourage you to reach out to your local FAA inspector or your regional office for more clarification. To learn more, visit artex.com.